Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds Edifier Neo Dots on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and then go to the search at the right bottom. Now click at the search line at the top. But if you have iOS 26, you need to click at the search line at the bottom. And then write Edifier. Now search. And you should install this application, what called Edifier Connect. Now open it, click Allow, and that's it. In the next video I will show you how to add these earbuds to the application, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!